I'm at 2276 West 41st Street. This is Ohio City. We are south of Lorain. We've got some new construction that was done in the 2000s right nearby. There's a school right here. There's a park over there, Orchard Park. Freeways right there. The Redline Greenway is right there. New rehab here. And this home's going to need some work. Some of the work's already been done. We're going to go on the side. Busy street, but once you're inside, things calm down quickly. And the other good thing is that there's an alley back here. So, new house there. And where you see the white car, it's my car, so you just pull down the alley and pull in there. So you could put a garage there. You got this, it's actually a pretty nice big yard, and it's actually really private back here. So I think there's a lot of potential. This house also, when you look at the front, looks small. It is not a small house. Let's head in. So I'm gonna walk to the front of the house so we can get oriented. That's the front door straight ahead. So, the door screwed shut. But, so we've got our living room, dining room area here. It's a big room. We've got a room over here on the side. Not sure what you would do with that. Could be a reading room, could be an office. This is my favorite part of the house. There's a full bath here, but there's no door to it. So one of the projects you will have to do is get a door to the bathroom. But it is plumbed. Bedroom 1, so we've got a first floor bedroom. And then we're heading into the kitchen. So some of the work's been done. They ripped up the floor to get some of the plumbing in, but as you can see, more work needs to be done. It is plumbed. They started plumbing for a half bath right there. And that's off its own little hallway. So I do like the floor plan here. I think it really works. A laundry room, mud room. That's a back door currently boarded up. Heading upstairs, we got 2 more bedrooms. So we got this big one off the back. Huge area for closets. And then I would set this up a little different. Right here, they've got you kind of going to an owner suite. There's another full bath up here. But what I would do, so I would kind of, I don't know, this needs to be changed a little bit. I think that this bath in here turns into a shared bath with the back bedroom, and you make the entrance to the owner suite here. So there's like a Jack and Jill entrance, one from this bedroom and then one from this hallway. And then, line this with closets here. And just, reconfigure this to give more space for a bedroom. But it feels good up here. I think it's good space. Just needs to be a little bit of reconfiguration to bring it to its potential. Again, great location. We're just down the street from 41st and Lorain, and down there is Proof Barbecue, Goldie's, Trippy, and Juneberry. Not to mention, the breweries and everything in the Market District. Very walkable. You can the Redline Greenways here, which is a path that goes along the rapid tracks. So I can literally walk up here, walk all the way down in a, it's a very naturalized area with a train that comes through once in a while, and be at the Westside Market. I live nearby and I do it all the time. It's great. So that's all I got.